I'm going back to solving a system of linear equations using elimination because there wasn't very many examples on that. And here I have two equations in standard form, ax plus by equals c, and I'm told to use elimination to solve it. So what I'm going to do is look at the x's and y's and decide which one to eliminate. And if I look at the y's, they are already opposites, which I need them to be opposites as far as signs go. But 7 and 11, the smallest number that goes into those, the smallest number that they will go into is 77, and that's going to make some really, really big numbers. So it's probably going to be easier to work with 8 and 12. So if you think to yourself, well, what is the smallest number 8 and 12 goes into? They both go into 24. So let's turn them into one a positive 24 and the other a negative 24. And to do that, let's multiply. To make that a positive 24, let's multiply this whole top times 2. Every one of these numbers on top by 2. And for the bottom, to make it a negative 24, let's multiply every one of these by negative 3. Okay, so the new top equation becomes 24x minus 14y equals negative 4. Okay, multiplying all those by 2. The new bottom equation becomes negative 24x minus 33y equals negative 90. So I was manipulating the problem so this would happen, and it did. Now I eliminated the x's. Let's go to the y's. Same signs, add and keep the sign. That's going to be a negative 47y equals negative 94. Divide by negative 47. I'm sorry, yeah, that's right. All right, y equals, 47 goes into 94 twice, and it will be a positive 2. So I have one of my answers. Now to get the x, just plug that into either equation, and it really doesn't matter which one that you plug it into. I think I'm going to plug it into the top one. So 12 times x minus 7 times 2 equals negative 2. That is 12x minus 14 equals negative 2. Add 14 to both sides. So 12x equals positive 12. When you subtract, divide by 12, x equals 1. All right, so the ordered pair that works in both of these equations will be 1, 2. I can plug those both back into the original equations to check to make sure that they're correct. Like 12 times 1 is 12, minus 7 times 2 is 14. 12 minus 14 is negative 2. And then plugging it into the bottom one. 8 times 1 is 8. 11 times 2 is 22. 8 plus 22 is 30. So it did work.